to the YCharts Peter Lynch universe. Yeah, in case you don't know, I am looking at the stocks that are being screened by YCharts that are said to be resemble sort of a Peter Lynch methodology for picking stocks. They come up with a list of 35 stocks that kind of resemble a company that might be invested by Peter Lynch. They use here select stocks with a low market cap and microcap stocks, a low PEG ratio, and a reasonable debt to equity ratio. When calculating returns for the universe, we pick the top 35 stocks based on dividend yield. By limiting the universe, we get a list of stocks that is small, unlevered, and reasonably valued given its historic growth rate, all of which are considered attractive characteristics. So yeah, I've looked at a few of these companies in previous videos. Be sure to take a look at those. And right now, what I'm going to be looking at is Haverty Furniture Companies. The ticker symbol is HVT. I don't know a lot about these companies. Keep in mind, if you're considering these for investments, make sure you do your own due diligence, because these aren't necessarily recommendations by me or anything like that. I just kind of wanted to take a look at some of these stocks, as maybe just for ideas for maybe investments, see if they're worthwhile. Maybe I should take a look a little further into them. So yeah, this is Haverty Furniture Companies Inc. The Y rating according to YCharts is attractive. The value score is 10 out of 10. The fundamental score is 10 out of 10. The valuation history is 30.43%. So this sounds like YCharts really likes the stock. Anyways, the profile says here, Haverty Furniture Companies Inc. is a specialty retailer of residential furniture and accessories. It provides various products such as sofa tables, sleepers, end tables, cocktail tables, accent pieces, display cabinets, wall decor, florals and tress, and other related products. The company operates primarily in the southern and midwestern U.S. All its activities are encompassed in merchandise division. The company derives the majority of its revenue from its upholstery products and secondarily from bedroom furniture. So it's headquartered in Georgia. Its sector is consumer cyclical. The industry is home improvement retail. Yeah, it has a market cap of $561 million, a dividend yield of 3.32%, 5-year revenue growth of 4.27%, quarterly revenue year-over-year growth of 5.42%, EPS diluted 5-year growth 30.39%, EPS diluted quarterly year-over-year growth is 11.45%, debt to equity ratio is 0, return on equity is 33.1%, the PE is 6.703. Yeah, so let's look at some of the key stats here. Cash, the balance sheet, yeah, it says here it has $137.23 million in cash. Long-term debt is 0. The free cash flow is $18.3 million. The PEG ratio is 1.275. Yeah, and the dividend yield is 3.32%. Payout ratio is 58.72%. Yeah, so let's look at the long-term debt. If it's always been 0. Yeah, one small blip where it was not there. So yeah, this company is not going out of business anytime soon. The free cash flow has come down a little bit since March 21, but it's somewhere below average. Yeah. The PEG ratio. Come up a little bit recently. 1.2 1.275, that's not terrible. I guess Peter Lynch would consider that maybe a little bit overvalued. But yeah, I guess it's kind of is a consumer cyclical, so it really depends on how you feel about the economy and kind of what's going on there, because it looks like, just judging from the price chart, that it's been following the headlines around the economy and things being terrible, and then we're going into recession, and maybe it's doing a little bounce off the bottom here. Everybody's starting to feel a little bit more optimistic about the economy, hence the price is going back up, as it's returning to a level where it was previously. So I don't know. I guess it all depends on, like, yeah, well, how you're feeling about the economy with stocks like this. But yeah, anyways, I'll leave you to it. That's Haverty Furniture Companies. Again, if you're interested in keeping up to date with like what's happening with the Peter Lynch universe here, go to my website, peterlynchinvestor.com. Subscribe to the newsletter there, and I'll make sure you get updates routinely about this YCharts Peter Lynch universe. Also, or you can also subscribe to this channel. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.